So like after loading the song getting uploaded, so this is how it looks like. So in case you have not yet updated some stuff, you can update it from here. You can even choose to delete this and just remain with the title. Then you rewrite this as Munye scripts. So you can re-edit it from here. Album, that is the Flora album. No. Let me write album. So like that. So add in some caption, released. Yes, so that is enough. So I insert it. So then I can climb up a little bit this way, then copy this title because I want my title to be shown here. So I copy that, then bring it here and place it here. So when it is being played, I want that to appear. So unlimited, so download limit unlimited, because it is like I upload it once, it is continuous. Someone can, because it is a digital product, as many people as they can download it. So then after, enable bulk discount, no, so I don't touch anything else unless here I have to make it visible. Product status online, so automatically it will be visible. Okay, then visibility, visible. Okay, catalog, search, hidden, so I want it to be visible. Then purchase note, so what will customers see if they happen to purchase? Okay, customers will get this information in their order email. Thanks for buying from Munye Scripts. Scripts. One love, dear. So give someone something that is worthy. Show him that is worthy. He has made you go to the studio the next time, so that he's encouraged to purchase more products from you. Okay, so then after, if I told him to advertise, if I happen to click here, are you seeing, are you sure you want to advertise this product? Then I say okay. So advertising for 30 days is $6. So it means that this is going to be charged on your credit card. Okay, so if you are not to advertise, you have to click this. You don't have to click this. So since I have to advertise, so I save the product, okay, because I want to advertise. So this is, are you seeing? So everything has been submitted in properly. Okay, let me go back and come slowly. Are you seeing this? So everything has been submitted correctly. Okay, are you seeing that? So it has even been submitted. So we go to view products. Are you seeing this? So you can chat with the person selling right away if you are on WhatsApp. Are you seeing that? So you can continue and download WhatsApp and chat to that person who is basically selling. So then again, the other thing you can do, so the moment you click here, you can listen to the song. It is already playing. Are you seeing that? Then some other related products from Munye Scripts are already there. So let us pause due to copyright stuff. Let us pause that song. Then besides that, the other thing that we may have, are you seeing this here? So it is the advertisement for the product. So if we go and click checkout, so if we want our project to appear at the top of all other projects, it means that we basically have to pay. So you can pay or donate to the creator. So if I told you do not want this, it means that we can exclude this and remove this. So we go back to edit, we go back to our dashboard and go to products. So are you seeing? So we have not purchased any advertisement. So it has been published, but it isn't under any advertisement because we have chopped off the advertisement that we had booked to pay. So that is how we can upload our content. Let us go back to the incognito mode. How did we get here? Let me first switch it off. We came here on these three dots, then we came to incognito, new incognito, then we came and copied this link here of latestugmusic.com because we already signed up, so we can't use the same page to view how our stuff looks like. So we come here and paste it, then we click enter. So it is like the back side of the, like we are seeing as customers. So as someone who comes. So are you seeing one of the new releases? So if we happen to click on it, so are you seeing? So this is how it appears. So we can read about the description about the artist. So this is our long description. Then remember we wrote a short description. This is the short what description it displays here. Then the reggae, like the genre is here. Are you seeing that? So here you can play it and here you can buy the song at this price. Then if we happen to slope down, the vendor information, more products, product inquiry. So if at all you have any inquiry about the product, or you can even seek for some support from the artist or from that person who is basically selling that content. Okay, so I think now we can upload something both on latestugmusic.com and latestugmusic.online. Then we can also post some listings on our other website, that is latestugmusic.xyz. So with that, I think that is the end. So I'm glad that you have been with me till now. And the other thing that I want to tell you, that we do artist content marketing, artist management, artist music strategies. Like if I told you an artist and you want to be made strategies on how to see that at least you make it through the industry, we can help you market your content and a lot of stuff. Connect you to wonderful studios. We also shoot videos that we can work along, or even connect you to those that you would want to shoot you at least a lower price. Okay, or even feature on those projects with those people. Okay, so endeavor to see that at least you use your WhatsApp and try to contact us, call us, or even just email us, okay, on the numbers that you happen to see here. That is a +256 701 77 779 and this M10 So endeavor to see you can donate to us. You can use these discounts on our website that is selling listings and get unlimited offers. Okay, so thanks for watching, and endeavor to see that you contact us for where you didn't understand. So now it is time to sign out. Remember, I told you that whenever you happen to use your account, you have to remember to sign out. Let us first see. Are they informing us that our product is already there? No. But they already in our account, they are showing us that our product is already online. So if we go back to our dashboard, are you seeing? Then we go to products. We may even slope down and see total products 1, live 1. So it means basically we already have one product online. So if we go to products, then we come here, are you seeing? So our product is already online, so we haven't made any purchases. So if I happen to go back here, then I click on my account, then from clicking on my account, I slope down and click sign out. So in the recap of what we have done so far and what we have basically looked at, we have looked at how to create an email and how to create a YouTube channel. Then besides that, in the same blogging, we've looked at different platforms. Let us first go back here. We've looked at different platforms, that is latestugmusic.com, and so if you know this one, you can copy this and come here, then paste. Okay, then we also looked at latestugmusic. We change this to online. So these are sister platforms. Both of them offer marketplaces for musicians, whereby people can stream to your songs, people can people can buy your songs, people can buy your images, people can buy your anything that you're basically selling to them. Okay. Shop. So if we click on shop, so we can happen to select any song from here. So this is an instrumental. So all of you who are out there and you're dealing in creating content, whether songs, whether themes, anything, are you seeing this? So this one has some adverts that are going through it, on it. So are you seeing we are having different options that we can happen to use? If you use latestugmusic.com, you can also use latestugmusic.online. So have your music streamed by different people. Are you seeing this? So you can happen to play it, and are you seeing? So there are different options that you can happen to use, and some other related or music from other producers or artists. Then we have another option that is latestugmusic.xyz. So this one is basically created for creatives to advertise their content on it. Call it studio sessions, video services, and some other people that are basically seeking for jobs, maybe in any department, because we do not segregate that. Basically we only need creatives, but basically it was created by a creative. So looking at seeing that at least creatives can happen to like advertise their content that they have to offer towards people. So are you seeing? So far it is one advert that has been posted that you need to see. Okay, so a lot of more stuff is coming up. There are some other people, some other platforms that are marketing on it. So endeavor to see that at least you visit this platform. If you are searching for something, just click this search button. Okay, the moment you click that search button, this pops up where you put what you are searching for and the location, or even you just search for something that you are looking for. Then it will give you depending on the different locations. And so this is my first listing that, but like it is going to be marketed to different people, whereby the more people join, the more. So be faster to join up the platform and see that at least you put in more content and you have everything offered to you at a less price as the first person, or as a person who is among the first people to sign up. So thank you. and we are going to be collecting all of these videos and putting them in a blog post to guide you on how to sign up, how to join. And if at all you have followed us to this last step of these videos, thanks for watching and thanks for being part. May God reward you. I love you.